Okay, it's the 28th of February. We have a front that's going to come down out of Canada, bringing cold air with it. You can see temperatures. This is around midnight. I'm showing you this. 30s and 40s, and not too bad at this point in time. But you'd have the precipitation starting to come across with the front, and it's in the form of showers. And that's again around midnight. But then as we move into later in the nighttime, we'll just move this ahead a little bit and see, you can see that cold air. Here it is right here coming down. This is around 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning. It's just up here by Erie, the coldest air moving in, and that's going to drop temperatures quickly into the 20s. We're down here in the south, you're still in the 40s. Precipitation, as that cold air starts coming in, starts to change it over. And you can see it changes over to snow. Now, this is not a big snow event, but it could leave some areas with a dusting or an inch or so. But you can see that happening. And I guess the biggest story here is the temperatures as it moves further and further to the south and southeast. Now this is around 8 o'clock in the morning, and you can see it's here. It's already past Bradford. Bradford's down to 23 degrees. Erie's down in the 20. Everybody's down in the 20s. It's just getting into the Pittsburgh area where it's around freezing, and behind that you can see teens up here over by the lakes. So definitely much colder behind the front. And again, here's some snow. Some of it's going to be in the form of squalls as it comes through. This takes you to around 10 o'clock in the morning, and you can see it's very light. It's more of a flurry kind of thing. The squalls are going to set up, as you can see. Here's kind of a half comma circle here. This is the squall coming off the lakes, and it's going to work its way south. This is around 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and you can see it works its way down, but it's not very strong. And then you can see more behind it. But basically, most of it's up in New York, north of Pennsylvania. Temperatures, this is around Sunday morning, around 7 a.m. Pretty chilly, 10 degrees up here in Bradford, teens elsewhere, even down in Pittsburgh, they're down 17 degrees. So everybody's pretty cold come Sunday morning when we get through this. The amount of snow we get out of this thing for some of the areas, again, quite light, dusting. Maybe in these grayer areas here, you get an inch, and there could be an isolated couple of inches somewhere there. Same thing. The highest peaks of Little Highlands can get a couple of inches of snow, but that's about it. Nothing major coming out of this over the weekend. But just, cold temperatures. I mean, that's going to be your cold temperatures as we get into Sunday during the day. This takes you to around noontime, and you can still see teens and 20s. Really hasn't warmed up a heck of a lot, so Sunday's quite a chilly day. Here's afternoon temperatures. Here's Bradford still at 16. Pittsburgh, you're still in the 20s, so it's a pretty cold day on Sunday. So just keep that in mind. It's going to go from where we are now to some pretty chilly temperatures. All right, that's your update. Take it easy.